Okay, good morning everyone. Now, presentation about my poem, and my name Nafisatul Adawiyah, my nickname Nafisa, and here my sort of poem. The title is Whisper of the Olive Tree. In ancient land where olive trees weep, beneath the star where history sleep, two nations dream, both hurt and wind, in shadow cast by walls unkind. Palestine field, where children play, under the sun found golden ray, song of hope in every bird, breath. Yet echoes linger, tales of death. Israel cities, whose link bright, lit by dream and hopes alike, yet haunted through by sorrow's call, in this land divided warm. Mountain whisper secret old, river tell what can be old, in this land where prophet treat, so many tears and blood were shed. May peace arise like morning dew, uniting hurt, both old and new, in shared sky and earth below, where olive branch dare to grow. Okay, that's my poem, and here my analysis. Personification. Olive trees weep. The olive trees are depicted as if they could weep with so deep sadness, mm, sadness that exists in this world. History sleep. History is depicted as if it could sleep, creating an atmosphere of calm and eternity of the past. 3. Mountain whisper secret old. Mountains are depicted as if they could whisper, implying ancient secret kept by nature. 4. Rivers tell what can be told. Rivers are depicted as if they could tell stories that cannot be told, showing a depth of history and experience that cannot be expressed in words. 5. Songs of hope in every bird. Hope is depicted as if it could sing, showing the passion and optimism that animates every individual. 6. Lit by dream and hopes alike. Cities are lit by dream and hopes, giving the impression that dream and hopes provide light and life. 7. Haunted to by sorrow's call. Cities are depicted as if haunted by sorrow's call, indicating the eternal presence of sorrow and suffering. 8. Peace arise like morning dew. Peace is described as if it could appear like morning dew, giving an image of the gentle and emergence of peace. Metaphor. History sleep. This is a metaphor that depicted histories as something that sleep, translation, indicating tranquility and retention of the past. And next, imagination. Palestine field where children play under the sun warm golden ray. The image of children playing under the warm sunlight create a peaceful and hopeful atmosphere. Second, Israel series puzzling bright image of busy bright cities showing life and activity. Next, contrast. Songs of hope in every bird, yet each linger tolls of death. The contrast between hope and death shows the duality of experience in this land. Led by dream and hopes alike, yet haunted to by sorrow's call, the contrast between hope and sadness show the complexity of life in Israel cities. Next theme, conflict. The suffering resulting from the conflict between two people depicted through the personification of weeping olive trees and cities haunted by sorrow to hope. Although there is sadness and death, there is also hope for a better future, as depicted through the song of hope and dream that light up the cities. Next, symbolism. 1. Olive tree, a symbol of peace and resilience. 2. The separating wall, symbol of physical and metaphorical restriction and conflict between two people. 3. Morning dew, a symbol of the gentle and natural emergence of peace. The poem as a whole uses a variety of literary devices to convey the complexity and depth of conflict as well as hope for peace in these histories and sacred land. Okay, now time for interpreting. Stanza 1. The first stanza introduces a very old and significant land, represented by olive trees, which are often seen as symbol of peace and endurance. The idea of the olive trees weeping, suggests sorrow and sadness. Beneath the star, where history sleeps, implies that the land has a long and deep history. The two nations refer to Palestine and Israel, whose histories and future are closely connected. However, they are divided by walls and kind, which represent physical barrier and the conflict between them. Next, stanza 2. This stanza focuses on Palestine, showing a scene of children playing in the field under a warm sun, which symbolizes life and hope. Despite this hopeful image, there are still images of past violence and death that hinder, reminding us of the ongoing conflict and loss. Next is stanza 3. The poem then shifts to Israel, describing its busy and vibrant cities filled with dreams and hopes. However, like Palestine, Israel is also haunted by sorrow and the consequence of the conflict. The divided wall symbolizes the separation and ongoing struggle between the two nations. Next is stanza 4. This stanza speaks about the ancient and secret nature of the land, with its mountain and river that hold many untold stories. The reverence to Prophet Hakelek, the religious importance of the land to many people. The final line, so many tears and blood were shed, emphasized the long history of suffering and violence in the region. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.